Oh, Safifi, what's wrong?
Yes, Mr. Police Officer Man.
Are you okay?
No, I just lost my job, got fired because Bowser Jr. made me in trouble.
Well, would you like to join the police officer? We've been looking for new ones.
Really?
Yeah.
Thank you, because I really wanted to be a police officer, man.
Well, you could join now.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh my God, that's actually a pleasure of you. And then I'm going to go arrest Bowser Jr. because he's so annoying.
Well, I need to tell you a secret.
Yes?
I arrested him one time.
Oh my God, I'm so sad. Oh my God. Oh my God. But I'm so sad that I lost my job. But screw that job anyway, so it was so annoying.
What was your old job?
Working with poor people
Oh, wow.
that pays me 74 cents a day
Oh, jeez.
and $10 a year.
Well, you get $50 every day. Hello? Okay. We need to work on his talents.
Sorry, police almost married. $50 a day? Ugh.